everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. So today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on a summer theme and coloring, and I've posted this on my TikTok, and many of you wanted a coloring tutorial, and the one I made was surprisingly confusing for some people, so I'm sorry about that, but here is a tutorial. So let's get started. For the coloring, what you're first going to do is go on to 24 FPS. And once you have your video imported, you're going to select the Honey QR code, and I'll put it on the screen because a lot of people couldn't find it, so I'll put it on the screen. Next, you're going to go on to Precool, and the settings, like all the settings and everything, will be on the screen, so you guys can go ahead and just use that. Then you're going to use the filter Vapor, one at 25%, and Sparkles. The settings for the sparkles will again be on the screen. Then you can go ahead and save the video. Okay, then we're going to go into color tone, and we are going to import the video. And you're going to use you're going to click at filters. Then over here, there's this section where it says Jasmine Hand. You're going to click that, scroll all the way down to Marble. So you're going to click that, and you're going to decrease it to 40. And there you go, you have your coloring. And remember, this might look different depending on the lighting of the video. So because this coloring was pretty bright, not the coloring, the lighting was pretty bright, it looks brighter than usual, but this is how you do it. So now let's move on to the theme. Okay, so let's get started. First thing we're going to do is we're going to go onto Font and load new video. We're going to import the coloring. And then what you're going to do is we're going to start off with the header. So you're going to you can write like theme. And the font we're going to use, all the fonts I use will be on the screen. So this font is, it's called Beach Day Theme. And what you're going to do is over here, there's like this gradient. And I did that with my color codes. So if you have color codes, you can go ahead and use them. Here are mine, and I'm going to do it vertical. Then we're going to add a stroke of 15 and add shadow. So there's that. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to add this little, where it says channel, that. So you can just duplicate it, and you can write theme tester, and this font is called Soul Wave. Here it is, and you're going to, do all that, blah, 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 and you're going to put it right there. Then what we're going to do is we're going to use the font Hawaiian Icons. I think that's how you pronounce it. I'm not sure. And you're going to use these surfboards. I can't find it. Oh, here it is. I can never find it, but I know it's there. You're going to tilt it a little bit and put it right beside theme. And again, you're going to do that gradient thing. Oh, sorry, not these colors. There we go. Oh, the shadow, it's too much. We're going to decrease the shadow. Let's move it over a little bit. Then what we're going to do is we're going to you can just duplicate it if you want. And you're going to use it's called Walkway Bonus, and you're going to use this it's the letter Q. You're going to tilt it back to normal, and you're going to duplicate it and make the second one white. So you're going to put it right over, over it. Then you can decrease the size, and you might not see a huge difference, but there's something. And we're just going to put that there and put that one right there. And now what we're going to do is we can duplicate the one with color. And you're going to use the font Garlic Salt. And you're going to add 3 of the dots. You can add more or less if you want. We're going to move this over a little bit. And you can make them smaller or bigger, whatever you want to do. And you're going to duplicate it because it's just easier to have it duplicated. And you're also going to duplicate one of these little thingies. And you're going to use the letter D on walkway bonus and add that arrow right above theme. Then add your dot little thingies right there. And then you're going to duplicate it's just easier to duplicate instead of adding the shadow all over again. And you are going to use the font VB Dings. It's like dingbats. And you can just add anything. I like to add this. It's a rainbow. Yes, it's a rainbow. I like to add the rainbow. And there's also this like sun. Where did it go? Yeah, here it is. There are a lot of like summer thingy, whatever they're called. What are they called? Summer dingbats. Yes, that's what it's called. And now what you're going to do is you're going to duplicate the little dots. And actually, we're going to duplicate the theme word. And you're going to use the font KG Flavor and Frames 3. And you're going to do this little corner type of thingy. I don't know what it's called, okay? It's called something. And you're just going to add it there to like box that off. Then over here we have a weekly calendar. So you are going to, again, duplicate the word theme, of course. And you are going to use, you can use any font you want. Oh, where'd it go? And we're going to use the font, where'd it go? Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Apparently it doesn't want to work. We're going to use the font April. We're going to put that right there. Then you're going to duplicate the KG Flavor and Frames 3 again and add a bunch of these boxes. So we have, there's 7 days. I clearly forgot, okay? We're going to make this white and we're going to decrease the, you can add the border so you can actually see the squares. But there you have it, a beautiful calendar. Then you can just duplicate where it says weekly calendar and you're going to use the letter capital X to, you know, like cross off the day we're on. So today is Friday, so that would be this one. And you can also add the days, so I'm just going to write their short forms because it's going to be easier. And you can just use this font, and what we're going to do, we're going to make it white and decrease the stroke. Then just make it small so it fits. There we go. It might not look the best, but it is a weekly calendar. Then you are going to, again, duplicate the letter, duplicate this, and you're going to add a line. It's the font Garlic Salt. Just going to add it. That's too big. Okay, we're done with that. Now you can make this box. You basically add a bunch of spaces and then click return until you have this box. No, we need more spaces. Then you click style, background, pick a color. I'm going to pick pink. Put the opacity down, make a corner. Boom. No, we want more spaces. Then you can duplicate it again and click background, click the color white. And if you scroll down to over here where it says style, fill, whatever, and you scroll down all the way, it says stroke. You're going to click the first one. And there you go. Then you can just, you know, write your question. So what's your question? My question is theme tester for you guys. And the font for this is, it is called the Student's Teacher. Now just, you know, decrease the size or do whatever you want with that. Okay, now answers. We're basically just going to duplicate this. Yes, we're just going to do that and change the text to answers. So it's like the exact same, and you're also going to add one of these lines to like separate the question and the answers. You're just going to make the line bigger. That's what you're going to do. Okay, what you're going to do is you're going to basically just write your answers. So I'm just going to write random stuff. Wow, I love it. So amazing, fascinating. Let me just go ahead and fix this quickly because I messed up. Okay, so now we're going to make like this shake stuff. What's it called? Shake, you know, whatever you want to call it. So, where is the font? And we're going to call it Shake. That's not how you write shake. Shake Shack. And we're going to add these little things. The font is on the screen, by the way. I realized I forgot to say it. Now what we're going to do is we're going to duplicate this garlic salt one. And we're going to use the letter, or the thing, these thingies. Oh, I just realized I tilted it the wrong way. Okay. And we're going to add a gradient to this so it looks pretty. Because we want stuff to look pretty, don't we? Yes, we do. Then you're going to duplicate the Shake Shack and you're going to write, so you can just make up your own menu or you could just do what I'm doing. So you can have like a smoothies and you can make a background for it. You know, cool stuff. Yes, I know, right? Cool stuff. Oh, no. Then you can duplicate this and vividly. And you can add smoothies so you can write like, that is not how you spell vanilla. Okay. I don't even know if half these smoothie flavors exist. They probably exist somewhere. Then down over here, you can just write a quick note. So I'm just going to write like, thank you for visiting us. And you could take one of these lines and add it, then take one of these lines, these lines, and I like to overlap them so they create like this little plus thing. And there you go, you are done with your theme. And if you use this, please make sure to give theme credits to me. But thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.